Get ready to be amazed by these lesser-known bird facts. Owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly silently, making them stealthy hunters. Crows are incredibly smart. They use tools to obtain food and can even recognize human faces. The lyrebird is a master mimic. It imitates sounds from its environment, including other bird calls, chainsaws, and even camera shutters. Flamingos get their pink color from the algae and crustaceans they eat, specifically from a pigment called canthaxanthin. Kiwis lay the largest eggs relative to their body size of any bird species, with some eggs weighing up to 1/4 of the mother's weight. Like and subscribe for more facts.